Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change Reddit user name. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do, you need to download the Reddit app and just go ahead from there. Okay, in my case I'm going to use the browser, and from here I'm going to click on my avatar icon at the top right, and from here I'm going to just go ahead and click view profile. Okay, and here, as you can see, this is my profile and everything. And if I clicked right here the about, it's going to open up like a window for me, and you're going to see right here edit or customize your profile. So I'm going to just click on it right here. All right, and as you can see right here, you will be able to edit the display name only and the about, which is your description about yourself. Okay, and social link. But unfortunately for now, you can't actually change the username within the Reddit web. All right, because first I'm using the web, and secondly I'm using an account that actually linked to my, linked to my Google, right? So probably that's why I couldn't or I can't actually change the username for myself, right? But if you are using the app, just go ahead to your account settings and see in the account settings if you can change it from there, all right? Let me know in the comment if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.